Remember we spoke about the back part of the skirt on the piston? I'm gonna show you what I mean now. If you look at the corners of the end of the bore here, this is extremely sharp. It's extremely rough. So if you're doing a mod engine, you're gonna make sure you deburr the entirety of this back end. So when your piston do end up coming to the end of its arc, it doesn't actually reach that far, right? It doesn't come all the way out. But you don't want anything at the ends here damaging anything. It only drops about till there. That's where she stops. You understand? But the end part of the skirt still sticks over. That is why we're going to deburr all of this. All of it. That one, that one, that one, and that one. You understand? And then the end parts of this, you're also going to deburr all of this.